Hello. So today I have some things for the new 9.5 that we need to get on here. We need to do the service on it today. So I just want to show you what I have, and then I'll make probably a few different videos for each one just so it's not so long and dragged out. But I also got a new camera, so hopefully the audio and video quality is better. So I apologize before. I was using a cheap camera, and so of course it wasn't the best quality. But I'll show you what we have here. Starting off, I'm going to be fixing some of the buttons, and so this will be its own video. You can see the ones that are rubbing off in there. So I got some new buttons, button overlays. I also have some new floor mats. I'm just going to throw those in real quick, and that will be nice. I'll show you an after. Have some LED driving lights, LED fog lights, new spark plugs, which I'm waiting for a intake manifold gaskets to finish those, new wipers, cabin filter, oil, as well as, this is just for the rear diff. I left my transfer case fluid at home on accident, so I'll have to go back and get that. So this is for the rear differential, and this is for the ELSD part. And I know this is not a saab, this is actually for a Volkswagen, but it's the exact same fluid. I cross-referenced the parts, and yeah, so it's the exact same fluid. So, but we're gonna start off and put all the LEDs in and the floor mats, and then we'll start doing some other things on it. Okay, so here are the new floor mats installed. Probably hard to see because it's kind of dark in here, but no, they look very nice. From eSub Parts. Best place to buy sub parts. Matt, the owner, is great customer service and great to deal with. But yeah, those look super nice. I've been needing those since I bought this thing. I haven't really been driving it because I haven't had time to do the service on it. So we'll do that today. So next, to replace the LEDs, the driving light with LEDs and the fog lights with LEDs, which are right here and there. Pop the hood. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure how to do this, but it can't be that hard. So, I'm assuming you unscrew this right here, and then that will give you access to the driving lights. Twist to the right. Oh, and that bulb is actually very frayed. So I'm gonna wrap some electrical tape around that because that is horrible. And see if I can't get that fixed. Let's pull this side out and see how it looks. Yeah, the wires are the same. It must just be super hot in there. So I'm gonna find some electrical tape and wrap those, fix that. And the fog lights will be a little easier if there's a little access underneath, and we'll get those fixed. So let me get some black tape and we'll wrap those. Okay, so we got that electrical taped. Not the prettiest, but at least the wires won't be showing. There's the old bulbs all burnt. There's the new one. Hopefully the LEDs will fix that. So let me throw this in. That. Put it back through the hole. Okay, so there's that one in. Headlight's a little foggy, to clean that up. Now let's put this one in. So that goes down. that should be that. Now we'll screw these caps back on. Okay, to do the fog lights, I am going to jack it up just a little bit, just so I could get under it a little bit better. So let me go grab a creeper. Okay, so the fog lights, probably can't see that. Let me grab a light. Okay, so there's the fog lights. I think it's actually missing, oh, they're not even plugged in. But I actually think it's missing a cover right here anyways, because I read and there's supposed to be a cover. That's really nice. That's not plugged in either. That's probably why they didn't work. I thought my bulbs were burnt out. But we'll untwist that. Oh, those look pretty good bulbs anyways. Okay. Old bulb. Let's go to the other side. Okay. This is also not plugged in. So probably why they haven't been working, obviously. That one's out of there. Yeah, that's real nice. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's missing a cover right under here. So I'll have to get that. But for the most part, it's really clean. Do the engine oil in it tonight. But yeah, I was told they just replaced the radiator. And yeah, it's been replaced. And they probably forgot to put on, plug in those when they did that. Okay. So there's the old ones. Here's a new one. Here's the old one. Same plug. And we will I'll definitely link all the stuff I got in the description. Okay. Okay, so both fog light bulbs are in. Let's see if they're gonna work. Probably not gonna, cause that's my luck. Sweet. And they work. Wow, that looks awesome. I will link those in the description, but they are very bright. And they look great. Very good, actually. Sweet, so thank you guys for watching. I'll make a little clip of those outside. Okay, so here are those LED driving lights. I don't know if I like how blue they are. They are kind of blue. but I don't know. Kind of like a, I don't know, it's hard to say. It's pretty blue. I was hoping for more of a white, but they are way better than the factory halogen or whatever you call them. But now we have LED fog lights, LED driving lights. So we'll see how long they last. Those are, they weren't that expensive, so if they go out, who cares? But yeah, there's a better picture. Hopefully it will focus. But yeah, they are definitely kind of blue. I wanted white, but nope, they look good. Way better than they were. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you guys next time.